Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll need administrator rights and a restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Once you're ready, press Start, type msconfig, and hit Enter to open system configuration. In the Startup tab, you'll see a list of programs configured to run at boot. This is the control you'll use. Make sure you recognize each entry. Unknown items deserve a quick web search or note before changing them, because disabling the wrong service can break device drivers or security software. Now disable unwanted items by unchecking them in the Startup tab and click Apply. Once done, open Start Right Arrow All Programs Right Arrow Startup and remove any shortcut you don't want launching. That prevents it from restarting automatically. If an item reappears or won't disable, check the Services tab and hide Microsoft services before disabling third-party services, or inspect run keys in the registry only if you're comfortable. Those steps are more advanced because they make deeper changes to how. Finish by restarting the PC to confirm the program no longer starts automatically. Watch boot time and behavior. If something stops working, go back into msconfig and re-enable the item, then reboot to restore functionality. If disabling didn't stick or caused problems, boot into safe mode to undo changes, use your restore point, or run a startup inspection utility to find persistent run keys. Make sure to recheck antivirus and update drivers after changes so systems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.